Hi fellow networkers. As discussed at the BizNet Friday Club network meeting, we have space available in our Silverton shopping centre premises for a hardware store. The shopping centre is on the very busy Pretoria Street. The space is 245 square meters with an optional yard of 190 square meters with an extremely affordable rate. The space has been approved by DIY Depot, which have in excess of 147 stores countrywide. A little known fact is that DIY Depot and Mica belongs to the same group. This is really the cheapest franchise with a joining fee of only 35,000 Rand. They have a fantastic business model that works with excellent support and management from the franchisor. I will really appreciate it if you can send this on to your network or to one of your contacts that may be interested. Pietri Spies is our property manager and he can be contacted at 083-688-6025 or send him an email to pietri@nethold.co.za. Also join us for our BizNet Friday Club network every Friday at 7:30 for 8 o'clock at Diepenberg Conference Centre. You are welcome to contact the Nethold Group for property related inquiries. Alan Hammond can be contacted for the BizNet Friday Club.